Get ready for a fun-filled adventure in Luang Prabang with a variety of water activities available. Try exciting experiences like parasailing, jet skiing, and more as you explore the beauty of the city from the water. Luang Prabang, Kayak Tour to Pak U Caves. On this guided tour of Laos, guests commence their journey upon pickup from their accommodation in Luang Prabang. Embarking on the Namu River, they embark on a leisurely kayak tour that offers panoramic vistas of serene countryside and natural limestone formations. Proceeding onward, visitors arrive at Pak U, known for its renowned Pak U caves housing thousands of intricately carved golden Buddhas donated by devout pilgrims. A guided tour of the caves follows, followed by paddling along the Mekong River for approximately 30 minutes, concluding with a delightful buffet lunch overlooking the majestic Mekong. Following lunch, tourists venture to Kuang Falls, marveling at their three-tiered beauty. They may choose to hike through the nearby nature trails, relax in the cool, turquoise waters of the pools, or visit the bear sanctuary. Following the excursion, the group returns to Luang Prabang, stopping briefly at Banawan, a Hmong village, to immerse themselves in authentic village life, engage with local villagers, and witness traditional Hmong embroidery techniques. The tour concludes with drop-off at the original pickup point, ensuring a seamless transition to their accommodations. Luang Prabang cruise to Pak U Caves and Kuang Waterfalls. Private or shared group boat tour departing from Luang Prabang. Upon arrival at Luang Prabang, guests are picked up at their accommodations and transported directly to the pier. Embark aboard a long-tailed boat for an enjoyable cruise along the Mekong River, offering panoramic views of local villages and fishing communities. Approximately 1 hour into the journey, the vessel reaches the popular Ban Shanghai, also known as Whiskey Village. Guests can explore this charming village, witness the traditional process of crafting Lao people's favorite rice whiskey, and sample the finished product. Continuing downstream, the boat navigates towards the picturesque Pak U Caves, a testament to centuries of Buddhist devotion. Here, visitors enter through a narrow staircase leading up to the cave's chambers, which house numerous Buddha statues and religious artifacts carved from the soft limestone. Upon exiting the caves, travelers continue their journey downriver via a leisurely 30-minute boat ride to reach Manifa Elephant Camp. This destination offers a sumptuous buffet lunch served beneath the scenic backdrop of the Mekong River, accompanied by the presence of free-roaming elephants. Following a restful meal, the itinerary concludes with a drive to the stunning Kuang Waterfalls. Spanning over 2 levels, the waterfall complex provides ample opportunities for exploration, including hiking trails, swimming in crystal-clear turquoise pools, and visiting the bear sanctuary. Finally, the tour culminates with a brief stop at Ban Nawan Hmong village, before returning to Luang Prabang. Guests enjoy a convenient drop-off at their hotel upon arrival. This comprehensive package includes transportation, entry fees, meals, and access to various attractions throughout the journey. Luang Prabang, Bamboo Experience and Kuang Falls Tour. A full-day excursion commences with a pickup from your hotel at 8:30 a.m. by tuk-tuk. Upon arrival, guests are greeted warmly at a rustic pavilion, which mirrors a traditional Lao home nestled in a scenic locale. This introduction sets the stage for a comprehensive exploration of Lao culture and cuisine. The tour begins with an enlightening session where a knowledgeable guide elucidates the significance of bamboo within Lao society. Bamboo products, such as fishing implements and musical instruments, are intricately woven into daily life. Participants engage in a guided activity, learning to weave a miniature mat from strips of bamboo, employing techniques that date back centuries. The demonstration showcases the enduring relevance of bamboo in both traditional craftsmanship and contemporary culinary practices. Following this interactive lesson, chefs demonstrate the preparation of 3 signature Lao dishes: bamboo shoot soup, steamed bamboo shoots wrapped in banana leaves, and a dipping sauce made from bamboo shoots. During these classes, participants are encouraged to observe and assist in the preparation, gaining valuable insights into the artistry behind each dish. Post-dinner, guests are invited to admire their newly created mats while enjoying the serene surroundings of the terraces. Following the meal, the itinerary concludes with a visit to the Kuang Falls, one of the most spectacular waterfalls in Luang Prabang. Here, visitors can marvel at the natural beauty while learning about the conservation efforts dedicated to protecting these endangered wildlife species. As the day draws to a close, guests are transferred back to their accommodation in Luang Prabang, where they may choose to unwind in the comfort of their room or explore the vibrant city further via it. Luang Prabang, Rice Farm and Kuang Waterfall Tour. Discover the intricate process of cultivating, harvesting and preparing rice through this immersive, hands-on learning experience. The Living Land Farm, situated adjacent to rice paddies near Luang Prabang, offers an exclusive opportunity for visitors to engage deeply in the 14 stages of the rice cultivation cycle. This unique educational program actively contributes to local communities by preserving traditional skills, including bamboo weaving, tool and trap manufacturing, garden maintenance and blacksmithing techniques. Following a delightful rice snack at the farm, participants embark on a picturesque journey aboard a scenic boat ride down the Mekong River. Upon arrival at the stunning Kuang Waterfall, guests have ample time to relax, swim and capture memorable photographs amidst the serene waterfall scenery. A leisurely walk through the surrounding jungle allows for further exploration and enjoyment of nature's beauty. As the day draws to a close, travelers are escorted back to their accommodations in Luang Prabang City. Full-day trek to Kuang Waterfalls remote village. The Kuang 3-tiered waterfall, a popular destination among tourists visiting Luang Prabang, offers an alternative experience beyond the usual tourist paths. A group tour begins at 9:30 a.m., taking visitors from their departure location near Long Lao village. This area features both Khmer Mu and Hmong communities living side by side. Upon arrival, guests proceed through lush forests and rural landscapes, passing through terraced fields, orchards, farmlands, and dense jungles. Here, they discover the natural springs that provide the source of the Kuang Waterfalls. After approximately 3-4 hours of hiking, the group reaches the stunning Kuang Waterfalls, known for its crystal-clear waters and vibrant turquoise pools. Following this, there's a lunch break at a nearby restaurant. During the midday meal, visitors have the opportunity to traverse the natural reserve trails, immerse themselves in the refreshing waters of the turquoise pools, and explore the Bear Rescue Center. Additionally, a visit to a Hmong village provides insight into the culture and traditions of this ethnic minority community. As the day progresses, the group embarks on the return journey to Luang Prabang. Along the route, a detour stops at the resettlement village of the Hmong people. Finally, upon reaching their accommodations or city center, visitors can expect to arrive around 5:36 p.m.